Hello all. Today I will just put on test this little device from UNI-T. Again, it's a 40 meters laser measuring device, but we will see how it performs in different situations, so stay with me. This instrument is powered by two AAA batteries. It comes in a card box and you get little pouch for carrying it. It's simple device, distance laser measuring device. So when you power it on, you get this. This little icon here is for how you will measure. Let me see. It should add like 11 centimeters almost in spot. We are going to measure. Now I will switch this. Yeah, 11 centimeters. So it count properly its length. Functions, you can measure different shapes. It's showing up on the screen what shapes. For example, this should be like inside some container. You wanna know volume of that container, so you start measuring by taking one side, it blinking what side. Now I will turn like this, take it, and now I will turn up, take it, and you can count cubic meters, in cubic meters how much volume of measured container it is. Very nice function actually, at my opinion. Another than that is some kind of triangle. I don't know for what I could use it. Another type of triangle. You can do simple mathematics if you need to measure more distances than one and to know total of all measured distance. You can use calculations. You see, you can even go in minus, and you see you can do some calculations with it. It's a quite versatile instrument. Let me show you with classic measuring how long it is. If you see or not, it's 116 centimeters. So let's see what this one will say about it. So you know, when it stays like this, you can't measure it exactly because it reflects from the surface. So I will have to keep it like this a bit and to measure. This is measured. You see? Same like I measured with conventional method using and my dog loved to hunt laser. Just check it. It's going crazy when it see dot. You see height. It should be between 18 and 20 meters height. Now it measured 27 meters. So actually it 27 meters. Big error. Now when I kept steady, it measured 90.95, which is quite correct. Let's confirm one more time. that. Keep it steady at one spot. Again error. It really have problems to measure this at sunny days. I don't like that what you have seen about it. When it's a sunny, very bright day, it have problems measuring large distance, like it was 20 meters at my balcony. So all in all, do I recommend such instrument? Yes, it can be very useful and it do the job. That is all. Thank you for watching this video from me, and like, subscribe, and see you very soon again.